Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ZenFone Max Pro M1, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. And before we get started, you will need something like a SIM eject tool, as I have one right here. They usually come with the device, and if you can find it, you can always use something like a paper clip, and it should work just fine. So once you have that ready, you can take out the tray, which is on the left side of the device. Okay. Take it all the way out, and as you can see, you have tray for 2 SIMs and 1 SD card. First one is the SD and then the 2 SIMs. So place it like so. Make sure it's laying flat in there, not protruding anywhere. And take the SIM card and also drop it in. It doesn't matter which one you put it in. They both go the same way with the cutout on the bottom right corner, as you can see right here. And also make sure that it's laying flush, and then just slide it back in like so. Now if I unlock the device, there's the SD card, and SIM card is also being read, but actually let me go into the settings so I can go in here, and you should see it right here. So that's the second SIM card. So yeah, that is basically how you would insert it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.